shirtless? Why are you always shirtless? Actually, it's hot. Fair enough.
It is hot. Also,
Are you saying the fact that... Are you saying it's hot as in like the weather, or the fact that he's not wearing a shirt all the time is hot?
Yes.
I come back upstairs.
Ooh.
Oh my god!
Do it. Get your soup.
Nice. He's hitting himself. Nice. That's how they don't play their damage. What? Wait. Show us the damage. What? What?
No damage.
No da-
Yeah,
Did
how
you
did
damage? You
that
did.
not do
You did.
any?
Wait, what?
What?
That didn't do any damage.
Just said no. That's just yeah.
That's huge. That's
Aiming.
huge.
I did wipe out one of my moms like a fucking idiot. You know, with the Uncle Jackie Discord moderator.
Wow.
God.
Holy shit.
That was horrifying, my guy.
I can't believe that worked.
Right. This is where I fuck up using the eye bleach, but it's just used. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, the mine.
We do a little trick show.
What? Bro, you
Oh god.
I beat Theory. We do a little game.
should I hit the ultimate disrespect?
No. So it's A to jump with this, right? Hey, Theory, I chose not to bat you. I came down there and I chose not to bat you.
Well, you chose wrong.
True. Hello.
Grenade. Oh, yeah. Don't deserve this. I've been getting
I think, like,
bullied all game.
there works? Yeah.
Oh my god! Wow, you killed your own worm.
Yes. Dynamite.
I mean, where is
Yes. Oh.
You jumped
Oh.
So Theory's just had all his dudes on that side of the map and nothing can happen. Oh. Well, he lived.
What are you cooking?
I was about to fucking murder the entire food supply. Revive another one. Just
No, I teleported onto a medkit.
wow.
Yeah. Go for a king.
Sayonara.
Bummer.
Let's go!